Hi, welcome to iMobi support channel. We'll guide you through using the standard repair mode to fix common iOS issues. AnyFix can be used to fix screen stuck issues, device bugs, such as the inability to turn on due to system reasons, charging problems, being stuck on the white Apple logo, and over 150 other system-related issues. Let's get started. Launch AnyFix on your computer, and choose System Repair Mode, and then please click Repair Now button. You can see the listed iOS issues which can be fixed by AnyFix. Here, we take fixing iPhone system issues as an example. Click Start Now button. Connect your device via a USB cable. iOS repair function provides 3 repair modes for iOS devices: Standard Repair, Advanced Repair, and Ultimate Repair. With the Standard Repair, it supports to fix the most common system issues and no device data will be erased after the repairing. With the Advanced Repair, it supports to fix the complex system issues and all data will be erased after the fixing. With the Ultimate Repair, it supports to fix the most comprehensive system issues, which takes a little longer. All data will be erased after the repairing. It only provides standard and advanced repair for Apple TV as the DFU mode is not available for tvOS. We take the standard repair as an example. Select the corresponding device model and follow the guide to place the device in recovery mode. AnyFix will obtain the firmware information. You can choose to download the matching firmware or import firmware from your local storage. Here we choose to download the firmware. It takes some minutes to download the package, so please just be patient. At the same time, please make sure internet connection is stable. Click Start Standard Repair button. Then, AnyFix will repair your iOS device to normal automatically. Please do not disconnect your device until it restarts. Once the repairing process is completed, you will see the repair completed page.